Hi guys, so before us we have a polynomial that we need to factorize. All right, so how do you think we should go? According to me, I think we should take a square minus 2a as x, as we have this square and this is single, right? So this reminds me of an expression which can be dealt with middle term break, through split method. All right, so let me write the statement. Let a square minus 2a be equal to x. All right, so in that case we end up having x square minus 23x plus 120, isn't it so? Now try and work it out for you. I'm sure you understand, but it's okay. Let's do it, in a concrete manner. So what are the two factors that would give me on adding or subtracting equal to 23? Minus 23x, all right? So having thought, I feel that if x square minus, if we write 15x minus 8x, do we not get 23? And also minus and minus adds up to give me a minus 23x. So, and this is to be written the way it is, correct? In this we need to make factors in a manner that we can take as common out of here, and here what we can take as common 8, obviously x minus 15. Got it? So this is the common factor, so x minus 15 here, and I have another one, x minus 8. Correct? Now it's time that I substitute the value of x, which has been equal to this. So a square minus 2a in place of x. So we get a square minus 2a minus 15. For this, a square minus 2a minus 8. So do you think we end up here? Is there anything else to be done with this, or do you think this is the final answer? So guys, I want to inform you that this is not the final answer, because what I can see, there is a possibility that we can again split this 2a in a manner that we can have some more factors available to us. And how that is going to be, let me just show it to you. So a square minus I have 15 over here, so I have 15, 5 into 3, so 5 5a and plus 3a, or all right, and minus 15, the first one. Second one is a square minus 4a because we have 8. 4 2s are 2. Okay, so we have minus 4a plus 2a because we need a sign of minus here. The same was here too. So I kept 5a having a negative sign and minus 8. Alright. Next we take the common element of here. So we have a common in this. So we have this. Okay, a minus 5. And in this we have 3 as common, a minus 5. Alright guys. Here we can take a as common once again and a minus 4, and here plus 2 and a minus 4. Are you understanding? So from this we get a minus 5, and here we have a plus 3. Got it? And let me put the curly bracket still. So a plus 2 and a minus 4. Alright, this is it. So finally our answer is that we have found 4 factors here, which is, therefore our answer is a minus 5, a plus 3, a plus 2 and a minus 4. Got it guys? So this is how you had to work out. Okay.